This is a wet and dry. Charles is the same brand as Henry vacuum cleaner. Is a model CVC 3702, and I read a lot of reviews. I wanted originally to buy a Karcher wet and dry, but I read that Karcher doesn't have much accessories like this one, and it was not very clear you can use it also on the carpet. So we wanted to use it for everything, including in the workshop and wet and dry surfaces, with a steam steamer. So we went for this model, and it was delivered today. It's a genuine unboxing. We have not been paid for this, so we now go to see how it looks inside. Okay, this is the knife, and I'm going to start from here to open it. The Charles CVC 370 is the strongest vacuum cleaner you can ever have. Okay, it seems that actually you don't need even a knife. You just can open it like that. So I'm going to cut this with a knife, this sellotape here. Ta-dam! Okay, we paid around 199.99p, 199 pound 99p in the UK. So in America it's about probably 230, 40, something like that. And in Canada probably slightly more, 250. In Australia similar to that probably. Okay, this is the top part of it, and I'm putting it aside. This is the wand docking, how you dock the components. This is the brochure, different models, how to operate with them. And these are the components, these are the attachments, the curtains for gaps, for the floor, for different things. And then this is the head for the carpet and probably for wet floors. Yeah, this is the one I think for the carpet. This is the trunk. It's about 2.5 meters. And this side of it goes to the cleaner, vacuum cleaner inside of it. And this side is attached to the components we showed. Okay, now we come to the actual vacuum itself. As you see, this is the more of the components. This is the tubing. These are the extra bags if you want to use it for dust. 4 bags. There are more tubings. More tubings. And this is the Charles vacuum cleaner. It's quite impressive. It looks friendly with that smile. Okay, now let me see how we can open this. I suppose this is on and off. It has a protection, so this will not be When this is wet, you will not actually contact anything. Okay, this is smiley faces here where you connect the trunk. This is where the wire main cables is attached. 3-tone safest plug. UK one is one of the safest in the world. So it has an earth component also here, and this one is built for the UK market, so it works with a 220-240 volt, 1000 watts, 50 to 60 hertz. Of course, AC current. And that's it. That's the unboxing of the Charles wet and dry vacuum cleaner. I will make a video when I'm actually testing it to see how it works.